What's up, guys? Hi guys. Welcome to my video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Even I mean, I'm honored. It's an honor to have you here. And my cat says hi as well. You know, today's video I want to do like kind of darkish look, but the highlight will be the wing liner, which will be a light color, which will be like a pop from the dark background, like kind of a contrast type deal. Yeah, and if there's noise, I have loud people in this house that don't care whether I'm shooting a video or not, and if I nicely and kindly ask for them to just be quiet for a bit, they don't care. They just don't want to. So excuse the noise. I'm sorry, guys. And let's begin. So we're gonna start off with the usual. We're priming our lids, and I don't want to go ham, but for some reason I always put on way too much. I don't know why, but anyway, how is your guys's Christmas plans going? Well, technically here in South Africa, the whole month is celebrated. Like all of December is a celebration where I am from. Go away, fly. Like literally all of December. So I would ask how it's going, and what do you guys have planned? Like personally, I don't celebrate Christmas, but I am gonna have all of these videos up for the series that leads into Christmas, my week-long series of videos. So we shall see how that goes. It's the plan. So I just need some ideas though. Like I'm still waiting and like trying to brainstorm some ideas and not make everything just makeup related. I'm not sure if it's not a bad thing, but there's a lot of makeup on this channel. Basically only one video is not makeup. One. Wow. So I will try my best to have a few videos not be on the makeup path. We'll see. I mean, it's not really much I can possibly do, but we can definitely try and make it happen. I'm gonna go in with the black, but using like an old eyeliner brush, and I'm literally just gonna make a line to show where I need to focus this on mostly. Yes, we are gonna clean it up later, but in the name of trying to keep it neat, I'm not sure if this will even work. So I'm basically just showing myself which areas I'm supposed to work in. Am I making sense? Does it make sense? Hopefully it does. So now with my Revolution Velvet Rose palette, I'm gonna go in with this brown shade. I'm just gonna jump a whole shade and go with this deep brown shade, and we're gonna centralize this. So we're basically just making it a bit of a smoky eye. And now I'm just gonna blend out that deep brown with the first shade, which will be this guy. I'm blending it. So now basically I just want to build on it to make it a little bit deeper. And what's deeper than this but a bit of black? Like, I don't think anything else will help darken it but black. So let's go with that. We shall go with the black. So I'm going in with my black, which I've hit pan on. And I'm just going to literally build this as low as I can so that we can still have that gradient effect. Like, just have that fading into each other, you know, like from the darkest to the lightest, which will be on top this time around. Go away, fly! Go away! No! So I'm gonna take this, like, it's like basically like what do we call this? Eyeliner, it's kajal, right? It's black and it'll do. I'm gonna use this as a base. I'm being very careful with it because I don't want it to be all over the place. I just want the darkest to be along the line where my eyeliner would be going, so that it can create like that contrast that we need and make the eyeliner color pop. So back in with the black, I'm gonna put that over, basically just setting it essentially like so. Now it should be black, like black and not so blotchy. So with this brown color over here, I'm gonna start blending upward. For some reason this eye is sucking like a lot, so I'll have to kind of fix that up. I'll just work with this eye for now. That sucks. So what I'm gonna do now is what am I doing? Not cut the crease, like section out the piece that's gonna be the winged liner. Hopefully that makes more sense. So I'm gonna start by using a bit of Vaseline, and I'm going to clear up the spot completely over here. So what I'm gonna do now is, with some concealer, I'm just going to create a light base. I think I wanna create an outline with this. So I'm going in with this what is this? My eyeliner brush. I'm thinking I'm gonna put this on the whole lid. Let's do that. Wish me luck. I think that's nice. So that's where we are at the moment. I'm just gonna add a lash, and then I'll see you guys when this is done. I think I'm gonna do the other eye off camera also, and then I'll see you guys when that's done. Peace.
So this part of the video is way too loud. So now I have to do a voiceover. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and have an amazing festive season.